and you're watching the total package. Alright, so I'm here today. You see this sweater, see my hair tied up, and yeah, you know, I'm about to do a hair tutorial. Oh my gosh, yes. My natural sisters out here, especially my 4 hair type females. I'm gonna show you guys how I do my winter moisture routine. Alright, so during the winter months, your hair gets a little bit more brittle, it gets a little dry, you know, dry hair out here in the streets. So this is why I, you know, have a routine for the winter time. Make sure that you are moisturizing your hair during this winter season and making sure that, you know, it is, you know, fully coated and moist. Dry and brittle hair strands are the ones that are going to break off easily. So all this is part of retaining its length during the winter season. I'm going from my wash to my deep conditioner to even the twist up and, you know, the moisture and sealing situation now, you know. This is going to be a quickie. I'm going to switch over to voiceover so it can be a little bit more fast. Yeah, stay tuned. So I'm using a shampoo by Hask. It's the coconut oil moisturizing shampoo, and I'm concentrating it on my scalp, making sure that I am really, you know, washing that area, because in the winter months my scalp gets a little bit dry and flaky. So I like to use the hair mayonnaise by African Best. This mayonnaise really helps your hair feel moisturized, softer, and it makes my hair less susceptible to breakage. This is a oldie but goodie, but it still works, girl. For leave-in, I like to use the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Breakage leave-in conditioner, and this lives up to its name. It really works. It makes your hair feel very strong, very moisturized, and it helps with detangling. So here we go, the star of the show, Carol's Order Cocoa Cream Coil Enhancing Moisture Butter. This stuff makes my hair feel very moist, very, 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 very moist. So you see the pattern here. I'm using a lot of products that have very heavy ingredients in there. They're made for dry hair, because in the winter months the weather is very brutal, so you have to make sure that you're using hair oils and creams in your hair. To seal in the moisture, I'm using the sweet almond oil to seal in everything that I've done previously, and I'm just going to take that oil and just rub it all over on my hair, on the twist, and making sure that my ends too are saturated. And that's about it, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe.